Be ready for the dictation. Dictation number 4, part number 2. Matter based on capital punishment. Be ready and start. After exhausting all legal remedies, a convict has an option to seek remedy under constitutional scheme of pardon by moving a petition of mercy before the President of India or the Governor of a state, as the case may be. Stop para. The power of pardon is a constitutional responsibility of great significance. Stop. The Constitution of India vests this power in the head of the state. Stop. Article 72 invites the President of India, and Article 161 invites the governors to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment, or to suspend, remit, or commute the sentence of any person. Stop para. Article 72 confers upon the President power to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment, or to suspend, remit, or commute the sentence of any person convicted of any offence enumerated in clause within bracket A to within bracket C to Article 72 within bracket 1. Stop. Article 72 within bracket 2 states that the power conferred by law on any officer of the armed forces for the purpose of suspending, remitting, or commuting a sentence passed by a court martial would not be affected by the power of the President contained in Article 72 within bracket 1 within bracket A. Stop para. Article 72 within bracket 3 further provides that the power of the President to suspend, remit, or commute a sentence of death under Article 72 within bracket 1 within bracket C would not affect the power of the Governor of a state to suspend, remit, or commute a sentence of death under any law for the time being in force. Stop. Likewise, Article 161 of the Constitution confers upon the Governor of a state, in respect of any offence against any law relating to a matter to which the executive power of the state extends. Stop. The power under Article 72 and 161 of the Constitution is absolute and cannot be fettered by any statutory provision. Stop. The necessary sequel to this logic is that notwithstanding any statutory provision, the President and the Governor continue to exercise their power, as the case may be, on the advice of the Council of Ministers. Stop para. A plain reading of the above provisions makes it crystal clear that the power conferred upon the President of India under Article 72 is of widest amplitude in comparison to the power conferred upon the Governor of a state. Stop para. Article 74 within bracket 1 of the Constitution states that the Council of Ministers, headed by the Prime Minister, that would aid and advise the President, who shall, in the exercise of his functions act in accordance with such advice. Stop. Likewise, Article 163 within bracket 1 of the Constitution states that the Council of Ministers headed by the Chief Minister would aid and advise the Governor in the exercise of his functions. Stop. Overall.